pull your socks up. If you're at all like me, and the words don't come easy, you sort of know what you want to say, but you don't know how. All your life you've been fed shit. Well, don't swallow it. For nobody, no way, no more. And don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't believe a word that comes out of their mouth, 'cause they say whatever they choose to get you quaking in your boots. While you're shaking, they'll be faking concern for you. Well, have you ever stopped and considered the odds on us all being here now at the same time? It blows my mind, it blows my mind. You know this world's an enormous place, but it's a speck of dust in space. And in time, well, it's really nothing at all. Come on! So don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't believe a word that comes out of their mouth. Oh, 'cause they say whatever they need to get you down on your knees. Then try persuade you that they can save you and set you free. Go on, Alan, man. Just a man, and I don't believe that there's some plan that's been laid out for us by somebody or something, or I don't know, some supernatural being. I believe it's down to us and each one of us just giving a fuck about each other, sisters and brothers. They'll be fucking up your life. Come on. But the sun, it will rise tomorrow. Be it a blue, be it a steel grey sky. You and me, we're lucky to be alive. Oh, don't let the bastards grind you down. Don't believe choose to get you quaking in your boots while you're shaking, yeah. They'll be faking concern for yeah.
That's it then, isn't it?